Hey everybody, and welcome to the show. So today I wanted to go over two stocks that one that like and follow the most is Palantir. So Palantir, it continues its run up to $75, and I really wanted to get into just kind of quickly onto what I was trying to set up um, day trading and working on just getting back into the flow with that and trying to set up a day trading. It's a trading account in that aspect in Mumu and just looking at other channels and chat rooms stuff like that. But I looked at there's one stock, MicroStrategy, and kind of comparing Palantir to MicroStrategy, how when it was almost having the same patterns that Palantir is going through right now. Back in it was back in 2024 in February. So MicroStrategy it did this one big jump up to $70, and then people thought it was like it's kind of the same pattern if you look at it even in Robinhood. Just go back the year and compare it to just what Palantir has done and MicroStrategy did back there in 2024 in the beginning. So I'm not saying it could happen to Palantir. It could possibly, but it's kind of cool to see how the correlation. Just look at Palantir's chart and then MicroStrategy's chart, compare it, and look at it at Robinhood or any other brokers. I just use Robinhood example, but it's when you think things are overbought, they kind of really aren't sometimes, and they could really take off. Like it took MicroStrategy almost a year to get to that level, $400 a share. So all it takes is like a year to happen, something like that to happen, and stocks just take off. So that was just my quick take, what I saw on Palantir and how MicroStrategy is kind of how the charts in the beginning look so similar. But of course, Palantir hasn't done what MicroStrategy has done this whole year. It's done great, but it hasn't made that huge move that MicroStrategy's made. But I'm just saying things can like that can happen. So you never know. So just look at Palantir, MicroStrategies, and you'll see what I'm seeing. Other than that, I was just basically looking at the different chat boards, trying to get a flavor for like how to pick up some day trading ideas, day trading stocks. But I put them in my watch list. I didn't buy because I was sometime if you miss that 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. It's been a while since I did it. You'll miss the boat. You won't get that run. Sometimes there's a continuation, but not all the times, and you can just be holding the bag. So I was kind of late in there getting used to that, wanting to set up a Mumu account to day trade that way and even swing trade. But all my other accounts, most of them are just long term and little bit of swing trade. But really just trying to get into the flavor of that, and just I didn't jump on them because I knew most of them they look like they weren't gonna do anything as far as they're just gonna be fading into the after the market opened, like that True Golf. There's a note, a couple of those, a few of the quantum computing stocks. Maybe one of them I might want to go into long, like Quantum Computing Inc. Or there's another one that was Regretti Computing, I think it was, and then the other one was Aban Tech Group, Applied Tech. All these faded after the market opened, so glad I didn't bother jumping into them, like VC Global, but they all faded, so I'm glad I didn't jump. That you could really be caught off guard if you do get in the morning and then it fades on you like that. You want to be the one that's gonna continuation run, or you get it in the pre-market somehow, or the next day. You're lucky there. But yeah, I just started buying more Palantir into my Robinhood account and looking at other stocks. That yeah, just that MicroStrategy and how Palantir kind of correlate together. It's kind of looking in the crystal ball. Maybe that could happen next year. Could have some major run with Palantir. So it's still strong right now. It's at 75 after I bought more. So it's even it looks so parabolic or spiking, you got to look at the long term. So